Hello everyone, welcome to Top and Best in Everything. Are looking for the best WordPress email marketing plugins? In this video, we'll feature great options for you, and we will try to help you in deciding which plugin is right for you in email marketing. Before starting today's video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We provide you amazing content almost every day. So let's go into today's video. 1. Sendinblue plugins. Sendinblue subscribe form and WPSMTP as the official WordPress plugin for the Sendinblue email marketing service. It lets you run all your email marketing efforts from right inside your WordPress dashboard. Let's talk about its key features. You can build custom subscription forms and embed them in posts, pages, or widget areas. You can use a drag and drop tool to create emails from scratch or start from a template. It is useful in segment and automate your newsletters in a variety of ways. You can view real-time statistics about your emails, such as clicks, opens, and so on. What you'll need to use it. In order to use this plugin, you'll also need to use the Sendinblue email marketing service. You can get started with this service for free. The plugin itself is free, and there's a no-charge Sendinblue plan that lets you send up to 300 emails per day. Premium plans with higher limits start at $25 per month, the light version, 10,000 emails per month, and go up to $99 for 100,000 emails per month. Who should use it? Naturally, if you're already using the Sendinblue service, this is the plugin you want. It's also one of the best WordPress email marketing plugins if you want a platform offering more than just the basics, including advanced segmentation and automation functionality. 2. Email subscribers and newsletters. If you're looking for a full-featured solution, email subscribers and newsletters is one of the best WordPress email marketing plugins to start with. It provides everything you need to create and manage a list and send newsletters, without requiring a third-party connection. What are the key features of it? You can add a subscription box to your site for collecting email addresses, send out email newsletters manually, or automatically based on specific triggers. Receive notifications when new subscribers sign up, and send out automated welcome emails. You can view email data, such as when each mail was sent and viewed. Email subscribers and newsletters makes use of your own server to send emails, so it doesn't require any third-party subscriptions or additional tools. It has free version, and also there's a premium tier starting at $9 per month. This provides extra features such as email templates, built-in spam filtering, and the option to test newsletters. This plugin is an excellent option if you want a no-frills solution that you can manage straight from your website. It includes all the basics, is easy to pick up, and offers a decent amount of automation potential. 3. Newsletter. Newsletter is another self-contained email marketing solution. Once it's installed on your WordPress site, you'll immediately be able to start collecting emails and sending newsletters, no complex setup required. What are the key features of newsletter? You can collect email addresses via a customizable widget, page, or form. You can create newsletters using a responsive drag and drop system. Segment your list to target different audiences with specific messaging. You can use a central status panel to configure the plugin and keep an eye on your campaigns. You do not need any other tools or services to use this plugin, though it does give you the option of connecting to other SMTP plugins to help deliver your emails. The base plugin is free, and there are a number of premium extensions to provide additional functionality. You can purchase these separately, or get them all for $76.59 for up to 3 websites, or for $298.60 for unlimited number of websites. Newsletter is one of the best WordPress email marketing plugins if you want to carry out targeted campaigns. While it offers fewer automation options than some tools, it provides a lot of segmentation potential. 4. MailChimp for WordPress. This one connects your site to MailChimp, one of the most popular email marketing services available. If you're a MailChimp user, this plugin will help you grow your list more effectively. What are the key features of newsletter? You can create custom sign-up forms and add them to your WordPress site. Integrate with a wide variety of form builder and e-commerce plugins. View detailed reports about your campaigns. Send automatic notifications when new subscribers sign up. To use this plugin, you'll need to also use the MailChimp email marketing service. MailChimp offers a free plan that includes up to 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. The paid tiers start at $10 per month, and prices scale with the number of subscribers you need. As for the plugin itself, the free tier is very streamlined. It only enables you to create sign-up forms and add them to your site. If you want access to more functionality, you'll need a premium license, which starts at $59 per year. Who should use it? This is one of the pricier options on our list of the best WordPress email marketing plugins. However, it also offers integration with one of the most feature-rich services available. It's worth considering if you want an email marketing solution that enables you to create complex and highly customized campaigns. Additionally, this is one of the best WordPress email marketing plugins if you're already using the MailChimp service. 5. HubSpot All-in-One Marketing. HubSpot offers a free, reliable, and feature-packed email marketing tool that's suited for growing businesses. The tool is part of HubSpot's free WordPress plugin. With HubSpot Email Marketing, you can create professional marketing emails that engage and grow your audience with the easy drag-and-drop email builder. HubSpot Email is automatically connected with HubSpot CRM, so you can tailor relevant emails based on any details you have, such as form submissions and website activity. Let's talk about what type of features it provides. You can create beautiful emails from scratch using the drag-and-drop editor, without any extra IT and designer resources needed. You can use one of HubSpot's goal-based email templates, which is included in the free version. Personalize subject lines, content, links, attachments, and calls to action based on subscribers' lifecycle stage, list membership, or any information in their contact records. You can optimize email campaigns with A/B tests and analytics. What you'll need to use it: simply install HubSpot's free WordPress plugin and you'll get access to HubSpot Email, CRM, and other free marketing and sales tools. The HubSpot email tool is free for up to 2,000 email sends per month, with upgrade solutions starting at $50 with Marketing Hub Starter. Who should use it? HubSpot Email is suitable for any business, it's free to start, and affordable as the business grows. Because it comes natively integrated with a free CRM, free sales and service tools, this plugin is ideal for teams that want to streamline their business, bringing all of their tools and data into one place. Because you have watched the video till the end, we have one bonus for you. So let's talk about 6th one. MailPoet. MailPoet is a freemium plugin that integrates smoothly with your WordPress dashboard. You can create, schedule, and send emails right from your site, and manage your lists as well. What type of features you will get? You can create a subscription form, and embed it wherever you like on your site. Build emails either from scratch or by using a variety of starter templates. You can set up multiple subscriber lists, and manage them within WordPress. You can send automatic sign-up notifications and welcome emails, and many more. MailPoet can be used on its own, either by sending emails via your own server or a third-party service of your choosing. You can also sign up for a MailPoet sending plan, either free or premium. The base plugin is free, and there's also a free plan that supports up to 1,000 subscribers and includes premium features for free, such as all WooCommerce features and segmenting. If you want access to statistics and reporting features, you can get the premium plugin for $99. Alternately, you can pick up the premium version and MailPoet sending service in combination, starting at $13 per month. Prices scale with subscriber count. Who should use it? Besides being a full-featured WordPress solution, MailPoet's chief advantage is its scalability. You can start out with the free plugin and only pay for more features and resources as you need them. This was our list for today. All the plugins which we discussed today are totally free, or they have free version plans. So you can start your work from this plugins without any worries. Hope you find our content useful. We try our best to give you quality information, so please, if you enjoying our content, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. It will motivate us to bring more amazing content for you every day. That's all from our side. See you all in the next video. Till then, watch our other videos, enjoy and stay safe.